we're going to see the Thrombolites blowing like a banshee out here. It's we gotta walk up here. It's 535 feet we gotta go here. So that's what the sign says. They're right near the water. It's blowing like crazy. My hat's blowing off here. Thrombolites. Here we go. 535 feet. Okay, keep going here. All right. Okay, it's 300 feet ahead. All right, we're still walking. It's probably in that building, I guess. Looks like they got another marker and a light for ships coming in along here. About to lose my hat. Okay, we're still walking in the wind here. Here we got a sign up here. All right, there's the Thrombolites. We're going to go in the building up there. I'm slightly out of the wind here. Slightly out of the wind here. It says welcome. Gotta hold on here. Gotta hold on to this door. Okay. Whoa. Well, it's just a self-service thing. And dedicated first veteran, Lieutenant Albert Ruse. All right, where's the Thrombolites at? Just all pictures, I guess. Okay. Oh, somebody put some money up here. All right, United States dollar. Oh, $5. And a Canadian one here. Yeah, look at that. I don't know what the significance of that is, why they would put that there, but who knows here. Well, we're in here and looking for the Thrombolites. Where are they at? I don't know.
I think there's a white rocks out there.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I would expect.
I guess I have to go down by the water to look for the Thrombolites that are probably in these rocks here. It's blowing like crazy here. Everybody's down here. Where are they at? I'm looking for a Thrombolite. Where are you at? Trying to hold on to my hat. They must be down here somewhere. If they're microscopic, it's going to be hard to see if they're microscopic. I don't know. This is whatever. I don't know. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, I'm looking.
They really capture the wind here.
Yeah, that's right. Gotta put some guy wires on myself here. Alright, well, I looked. Sorry, I couldn't find any. They said they're microscopic, so how am I going to find them on here if they're microscopic? I thought there'd be bigger ones here. But maybe they're in there. If it wasn't a windy day, yeah, maybe I'd find some. I think I'm going to head on back to the bus here before I blow away. It's windy and woo, there's good my hat tied on. Yeah, losing my hat there. Losing my hat. Are there any Thrombolites in here? I don't know. I don't know. If they're microscopic, how am I going to see them? I don't know. But this is the place. Okay. I was here. I came. I didn't see and I didn't conquer. So, all right. Gotta hold on. I think I'm going to head on back to the bus and try to hold on to my hat here. I don't know. It's blowing. I'm coming back here. So it's blowing like crazy here. I'm trying to do my best to hold on to my hat. here, so it's not too cold, but it's windy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, we're coming on. There's Linda up there. She's sailing in the wind too. All right, there's the water, the waves, the sky, the waves, everything crashing up in here. All right, back to the bus here. Okay, enough of this. Well, here's a sign that said Thrombolites. We went down there and we didn't see anything, but it's right down by the water, and they go all the way down, and we're down and back. Anyhow, we tried. Okay, back to our trusty bus up here.